What is up? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to be talking about how to completely turn off Windows 11 updates for good. So I know most people in the settings, they turn off automatic updates, right? But then, every now and then it still forces you to do an update, and then you have to close everything on your machine and then restart it, or it just automatically does it. Once one day you wake up, you notice that everything you had open is automatically shut down. So to prevent that from happening, there are two ways to force Windows to not update no matter what. So let's go through the first way. The first way is you want to search for this gpedit.msc. So you can just search for that in your regular search. I just have this other search tool that I use, which is a lot better in my opinion. There'll be a link to that below if you want to add that to your Windows. But search for gpedit.msc, press enter, and this will open up. This is a group policy window, so we need to update the group policy. So let me just expand that a bit. Okay, so under here you should see computer configuration and then administrative templates. So let's expand it, administrative templates. Then we'll go down to Windows components, expand that, and then all the way down to Windows Update, right? We are here now, expand that, and let's do Manage End User Experience. So in here, you'll see an option or a setting for Configure Automatic Updates. So let's double click that right here. Now we want to set this to disabled. You can press apply and then OK. So this you can easily undo, right? So let's say you are ready for an update, you can undo it whenever you want, right? And this is just to stop the automatic updates, so you can still go to the settings of Windows Update and manually update it yourself. So let's close that. So that was the first way. The second way is something similar. You want to search for services MSC. Right, so these are just all the services that are running on your computer in the background. A lot of these you probably don't even know that are running. They just needed to be running for Windows to be running. So let's scroll all the way down to updates or Windows Update. So we see over here. So right now, let's see, it may be off. Yeah, so it's not running, right? So let's double click it. We want to just make sure that it's not running. Okay, so if it was running, then you would have to press stop, right? And to know whether it's running or not, you can see over here it says running. So yeah, those are the two ways. Pretty simple. The first way should automatically work. So once you set that, the group policy, it will no longer work. So but it doesn't hurt to set up both of them if you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.